Hello appsumo, my name is Elliot, I'm the founder of slayschool.com. I built Slay School because I wanted to help a medical school friend ace his studies. Slay School does a couple things today. It makes it super easy to turn any note, video, or textbook into flashcards, multiple choice questions, and case study material. This is not just useful for students, but for anyone who wants to memorize anything quickly or study anything really fast. The tool uses super easy to use any of the flashcards or study for anything that you want to. You can edit flashcards, add images, even do spaced repetition. So it's one place to really understand and memorize all the material that you need to. We work in any language, and we have a mobile application on Android and iOS, as well as a Chrome extension, and of course a website that you can use from anywhere. In the past year, we've got over 250,000 students and professionals using our product, from doctors and surgeons all the way down to people studying for their MCATs. We've even added, including recording lectures and workshops, as well as essay writing and application help. Slayschool.com, check